Friend, this is Ari again. Today, I wanna share for you. I got a beautiful 2002 GMC Cadillac Escalade with a 6.0 liter. I will replace the control arm upper size. Okay, in this case, it's in the front left wheel. The control arm bushings is complete. Go out. That's what are the reason I will replace. But this particular thing, this Cadillac is four-wheel drive. Okay, bro, you don't need it. Remove the. Look at that. Look at that. The bushings is control is complete. Go out. Okay, I was try to say you don't need to remove the axle because this is four-wheel drive. It's just remove the lower the upper controller. Okay, we started. First, we put some marks on the adjusters because after replace the controller, you need go to alignment the wheel. Okay, and this is for try put it back in the same place is the best thing. Put the marks. Okay, because I got two discs on the each side. You put a mark wherever you can use it, a punch or some color paint. It's just for put it back in the same place before you go to the alignment place. Okay, I got a brand new control arm. I don't remember what buys is AutoZone or Rally's Advance or Napa, but I got a brand new control arm. I will show you exactly where it's coming. Okay, this is the controller. Okay, upper controller. You got two brand new bushes and two ball joint in the point. Okay, this is how we started take off. Okay, the first thing they got some brake hoses bolted off when we take it, and in one side, in another side they got the ABS sensor is bolted off on the controller. We take off too. Okay, they got these two plate looses. We got another brake hose bolted off on the front side. We keep out the place. We don't need to remove the whole thing. It's just move a little bit the size for taking the bolts and the nuts for the controller. Okay, we use the tools for remove the joint in the front side the controller. Okay, the best thing is loose the nut on the lower side and then put the tool and hit it very hard, hit it, and then come out because it's got under the pressure. It's like a cone part. This is you need to be using the remove tool for hit it, it pop come outside. Okay, we got the front side out. Okay, another thing is we take the bolts on the. Okay, we take the bushings. They got bolts. I think 2-inch long bolts. Okay, we remove the plates for adjusted because they got just one position. This is where I put some marks. We'll try to put it back in the place. Okay, we take the bolt out. we shake it because I got some brake line on the way. Another side we do the same. We took the ball, the knot, the adjusted plate, and we take the bolt out. Okay, we take the bolt out. Okay, the adjusted disc. Okay, another side we do the same. Well, shake a little bit for take out the bolt, so they got plenty of room for doing that. Okay. Okay, right now we got ready to pull out. We got ball joint off, two bolts off. It's ready for pull out. Okay, you shake a little bit and take off. Okay, for put a new one, do it the same thing backwards. Okay, take the knot on the joint first, the ball joint. Okay, you check it, it's exactly the same. It's exactly the same. The two ball holes for the bolt for the brake lines. Okay, and then we stick it on the housing. Okay. Okay, it's on the place, and the ball joint is sticky on the front. Okay, you seen it? Okay, we need to move a little bit the whole wheels, bearings, or pad brake or caliper, everything little bit forward for getting the place for the joint, for the ball joint. Okay. Okay, I will use the two hands. This is what I jump the process, but it's the plate right now. I will put the bolts. I will put the nut on the ball joint. I put back to the two brake lines, bolted off in the place. I will put in the same marks and tight, not too big tight, because after that we'll take to the alignment place. Okay. And tie the knot and put the lines and the ABS line too, and the brake hoses bracket bolted off and tight. I will after that take it to the alignment place for make sure the angle is correct. Okay, my friend, this is Ari. This time I want to show you how is the replace the controller upper. Please put a like on this video, share for your friends, subscribe my channel for support more informations for a lot of people who needed help in the road, because this is the real videos. I did it all the time on the road. And thank you, my friend, for watching my videos.